Hello friends. My name is Ajay Kuntal, and today I will discuss the computer aided material handling, which is unit 5A in the R2 syllabus, right? What is material handling? You can see the material handling equipments is mechanical equipment used for the movement, storage, control, and protection of materials, goods and products throughout the processes of manufacturing, distribution, and consumption, disposal, right? So you can see these are the mechanical equipment, right? So they are doing so many functions together like movement, storage, control, protection, goods product throughout the process, right? Distribution, consumption, and disposal. The different type of handling equipment can be classified into four major categories: transport equipment, positioning equipment, unit load formation equipment, and storage equipment. So these are the four categories you can see. Their application helps with forecasting. For future forecasting you can do. You can do the resources allocation, right? You can do the production planning. You can do the flow and process management. You also can handle the inventory management and control, customer delivery, which is very important part, and after sales support and service. So here I'm giving the example also transport like cranes, conveyors, and industrial trucks. So these are the material handling equipments. Now conveyors are used when material is to be moved frequently between specific points over a fixed path, and when there is a sufficient flow volume to justify the fixed conveyor investment, right? The second point is different types of conveyor can be characterized by the type of product being handled: unit load or bulk load, the conveyor's location, in floor, on floor, or overhead, and whether or not loads can be accumulated on the conveyor. Cranes are used to transport loads over variable horizontal and vertical paths within a restricted area, and when there is insufficient or intermittent flow volume, such that the use of conveyor cannot be justified. You can see cranes variable path restricted area is there where it cannot move. Industrial trucks, conveyors, how they are connected. Now the delivery will take place. Industrial trucks are trucks that are not licensed to travel on public roads, so they cannot travel on the roads. They are specially purposed, they're designed. Commercial trucks are licensed to travel on the public road, so they are different from the commercial trucks. Industrial trucks are used to move material over a variable path, and when there is insufficient or intermittent flow volume such that the use of a conveyor cannot be justified. So for today, we will wind up here only, and we will see tomorrow lecture something different. Okay, thank you.